Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So any question? First of all, from audience. You invite questions. If you have any question, doubt about these statements, you can inquire. Tadviddhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya. Everything, if you are serious to understand, we should submit our doubtful questions and then understand. Yeah?
Does one attain a consciousness that is beyond words? Or I dare say, is there a communication that is not the word itself, but perhaps a vibration which is much like sound, or sound itself, perhaps reaching for the Om? Is there a communication, something understood between you and myself and my brother, others, all of us? Is there an experience, perhaps, where does it sound like dong, ah? Is there something else besides the verbal?
Yeah.
So,
This Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yes.
Could you elaborate? Could you tell me how this can be? How it can be all the time, rather than to be a man, rather than to have to talk English alone, or other languages? How to talk that one language?
Well, sound can be vibrated in any language. It doesn't matter that Hare Krishna can be sounded in Sanskrit only. You can sound it in English tone also. Hare Krishna. Is that any difficult? These boys, they are also sounding in Hare Krishna. So there is no difficulty. It is the sound that matters. It doesn't matter who is sounding. Just like in piano, if you touch, there is tongue. It doesn't matter whether an American is striking or an Indian striking or a Hindu striking or Muslim striking. The sound is sound. Similarly, this piano, Hare Krishna, you just touch it and it will sound. That's all. Yes?
You sit and meditate alone. What do you do with your mind as it wanders? Do you think of something? Do you put it on something, or do you let it wander by itself?
First of all, let me know what you mean by meditation.
Sitting alone, quietly.
Eh?
Sitting alone, quiet.
Sitting alone quiet. Is it possible? Do you think it is possible?
You listen to your own mind.
Then your mind is always acting.
Chatter state.
So how can you sit? Silent mind is always acting. Is there any experience that mind is not acting? When you sit silently, when you sleep, the mind is acting. You are dreaming. There is the action of mind. So when do you find that your mind is silent?
I was trying to ask you.
Yes. So therefore mind is never silent. You have to engage your mind to something. That is meditation.
What do you engage in?
Yes. And that is Krishna. We engage our mind to Krishna, the beautiful Supreme Personality of God. Not only simply engaging the mind, but engaging the mind in action with the senses. Because mind is acting with our senses. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,